I said, good with kids. You are a kid.
Zoe, stay still.
No Happy Meals. It's going to be a frowny meal if you don't shut up.
Oh, what a nice parent. What a nice parent. Oh, can we get salads?
No.
I want a salad. We could have salads with apple juice. And we can just have salads.
I just told the kids it's going to be a frowny meal if y'all don't be quiet.
Die. Terrible joke, by the way.
I thought it was good.
No. It's good when you don't get a toy and you turn the thing over and you say,
Are you getting a toy, Chandler?
Of course I want a toy.
So
Who doesn't want a toy?
both of you want cheeseburger Happy Meal.
Yeah,
Yeah, but I don't know what I want to drink.
I want Sprite.
Can I have a Minute Maid slushie?
No, you can have.
Mom, mine's
Coke.
right up there.
Okay, I want Coke then.
Okay, now what do you want, Sophie? A 6-piece chicken nugget.
Happy Meal.
Make sure you say Happy Meal, Mom. I want a
With,
toy.
tea.
You'll have to tell me. Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
When I'm ready to get up there, you gotta tell me when I point.
I don't read.
Hush, Zoe. We're not important enough.
Zoe, can you jump out the window and run around that tree before I pull up to the window?
Which one?
That one over there.
Which one?
That one. Okay, now everybody shut up. I gotta focus. No. Can I get a double cheeseburger, a small fry, a large Dr. Pepper, 2 cheeseburger Happy Meals, 1 with Coke and 1 with Sprite. And then can I get the 6-piece chicken nugget Happy Meal with tea? That's it, right?
Yep. Apple
Extra
slices.
fries.
Apple slices.
Yeah, and then 1 with
Apple slices.
apple slices.
And then you said you want a 6-piece nugget?
Yeah,
And then you said you want apple slices?
yeah.
And what sausage?
Ketchup.
Will that be all?
Yes.
They probably think we're fatties.
Alright, your total will be 1890 or 1860.
It's
I don't know what's happening.
at 69 at the
I'm taking
window.
one of your Dr. Peppers.
No!
I don't get order, Dr. Pepper.
What'd you order?
Tea. Yes, I made it pass. No again.
Yeah. Me too. Right. Coke. I had a tea with the last chicken nuggets.
The last chicken nugget.
Okay. You can have my Dr. Pepper. Okay. What number? You can have mine.
No, if I don't want yours.
I'm sorry. They messed it up.
You messed it up.
No, I told you heard what I told him. Here.
No, I didn't.
Here.
Give me I'll just go drink water at the house.
You can drink mine. You like Dr. Pepper.
Mom, stay still.
Give me your $2, Taylor.
Why? Wait, no, this $2 is either being spent on Takis or something that belongs to me. None of this is yours.
Hey. Here.
I feel you dead.
Thank you.
I just met you. It's crazy.
Mom tells her way to stop imitating.
That's not nice. I'll throw this McFrowny meal in the McTrash.
I couldn't think of anything better, Mom. The McFrowny. The McFrowny.
McFrowny.
Such a good. Such a.
Funny. You just don't
Such
get
a good joke.
Chandler, that was.
This is crazy. I just met you.
Hey Zoe,
What? What?
come on. 3 plus 3.
6.
Too easy.
What's that now?
Camel.
How'd your 4s go?
Oh, I think I completely aced it.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Who do we appreciate?
Chandler. 2, 4, 6, 8.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Oh, so she can multiply, but she can't read. Can I watch some SML?
What?
2, 4, 6, 8,
I'm eating your
10.
french fries.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Mom, which french fries?
Mom, you can have my french fries. I wasn't really
want
gonna eat them.
Can I have them?
Yeah, go for it.
Stop digging in my stuff.
What are you talking about? I can't wait to see my toy.
They didn't give you a toy.
What do you mean?
Then why do I see 2 kids' meals?
They traded your toy for extra fries.
No, I said apple slices.
Y'all are such babies.
Mom, you don't understand. The apple slices are so good.
They're disgusting and they give me diarrhea.
Well, then you see